And at this moment we have around 10 kilos of cabbage, so
this cabbage is going to kill us. This is tiring work. I'm having a break. Hello and welcome, or welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here. We are harvesting and processing our cabbage. So what we are going to do is something very Polish, something extremely healthy and unique for Eastern Europe, and that is pickled cabbage without anything added, all natural. We've got the cabbage, we've got the salt, and we had to buy some tools. So actually this morning we bought this cabbage cutter, or whatever you call that in English, szatkownica in Polish. And we also bought this barrel. It's drying here. It's a plastic barrel, and we also bought a special bag, like a food bag that you put inside, always checking what's going on. So we had to buy the barrel, and we bought the barrel online and this tool in a tool shop. And this barrel has around 30 liters. I don't know if we'll fill it all. We will leave some cabbage to cook for other things, but the main thing we are going to do with this cabbage is to make pickled cabbage. It's extremely healthy, full of probiotics. It's very good for your gut health, the same way as pickled cucumbers or kimchi or probiotics or kefir, but it's one of the most healthiest probiotics you can eat. It's a process to pickle it. It will take 3-4 weeks, up to a month. So it's a different process than pickling cucumbers, but we don't add anything. It's completely natural, and it's the way Polish people make traditional pickled cabbage. Another name for pickled cabbage is sour cabbage or sauerkraut. In Polish, kiszona kapusta, made the old-fashioned Polish way. Some of our cabbage had some worms, since it's ecological, and some were eaten by worms.
And at this moment we have around 10 kilos of cabbage, so
hard work. This cabbage is going to kill us. Cold apple juice.
add salt now.
Apart from salt, we are going to add allspice, bay leaves, cumin. We've added cabbage and also some carrot and salt and 3 spices, allspice, bay leaves and cumin. And now we are pushing the cabbage so that the juice comes out, because the juice has to cover the cabbage for the fermentation process to begin. We have more than half done, but we picked another batch. As I said, this sour cabbage is going to kill us. We are so tired, both of us. Now I'm harvesting some herbs for our dinner. We're going to make a cabbage dinner. So I'm cutting parsley and coriander if I can find. Looks as if it's going to rain and be stormy weather. The juice finally came out. It took around 10 minutes, and we're doing like with this tool, but it wasn't working, and then Bola was doing with his hands. So the lesson is to do with the hands. We have probably around 20 liters? For dinner we are making cabbage rolls, Polish cabbage rolls, gołąbki. And I have a recipe on my channel, actually. I will link it. And they are filled with rice, meat, spices, herbs, and we are utilizing and using the cabbage. So it's in the room. You can put a stone or something heavy. You should put a stone or something heavy so that the juices cover the cabbage. We put a plate and a grid for flies not to fly inside. We've put it in a room with room temperature. It should stay in a little bit warmer room for 2 weeks, and then 2 weeks in a little colder room. So all in all, it should take 1 month approximately. So you won't see it today. It was a long day, and it took us several hours to finish off all the cabbage and make the dinner. So I'm tired. I also slept extremely badly last night, so I'm going to chill out, relax, watch a nice TV show or movie, have some gingerbreads. I know I'm starting early for 15th of October, but I was craving gingerbread. I'm having relaxing cacao with magic mushrooms. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share,